Alright, I finally got to get back to work on this thing a little bit. So these are the pieces I was talking about I had to drill all the holes out of for the springs to ride on, and for your spring adjustment for the tension on the planters, on this Marliss. So what I'm having to do is drill these out. Got those out. And I've made these to go in there. Let me show you how this is going to work. Try to do this one-handed. Lean up again. There we go. Alright, so the way this works is you stick it through the hole. It's kind of like a spacer for it. I'm going to tack weld that in there here in a few minutes. So what I'm having to do to make these, I'm cutting them out of that pipe, and then I'm grinding the ends down to taper it in, and then I'm drilling the insides of these out. So set y'all up here so y'all can watch me drill one of these. I've already partially drilled this one out, so that's like the bottom end. Otherwise it jumps around some. It's a little bit tough to do this. It's just basically cleaning the inside of it out so I can fit my bolt through there cleanly. That's one of them. I've had to do 10 of those. So now I gotta go down to my welder, the other little shop, and tack weld all these in. And I also have to do the wheels too. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with those. Alright, so I got the wheel off. Now what I want to show y'all is if you can see, the bearing isn't bad. The inner of the wheel is worn, and the shafts aren't bad. See, they're not even worn off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this wheel apart, and on the inside of this wheel I'm going to put 3 tacks equal in line with these bolts, probably right around in here where this bearing clamps down. I'll show you here in a minute the way it looks when it's apart. And when I put the bolts back on and re-pull it down, hopefully it'll pull all that back tight from where this is worn out on the inside of this wheel. I checked on these wheels and I can't get them new, aftermarket. I probably could from Marliss, but I don't want to have to, or Rimlinger, and I don't want to have to do that because just that bag of plastic pieces, as I've already noted, was highly expensive. So what I'm going to do is pull this apart and I'll show you exactly how. Alright, I got it apart. What I want to show you guys, see this bearing recesses right in here, and that is worn on the inside. And what I was going to do was actually buy new bearings, because at first I thought that was what it was until I got one of these apart and found out it wasn't. But this is the bearing that goes in these. You can't get them just anywhere. They do sell these online aftermarket for these for like $9, but they're not bad, so it's not going to do me any good. What's bad is the rims on the wheels. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to come inside of here. I'm going to stick it. I'm going to take a Sharpie and go run outside. And I'm going to take and just put a few tacks, probably on the edge, to make this, to when it clamps out, it'll just stick out a little more. And then in theory it should make it tighter, but if it doesn't, I'm going to have to order new rims, which I don't want to do. But I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to take it down there and I'm going to tack weld it. So might try to get some video footage. one of those. Y'all don't make fun of my welding. I ain't too good. See, that's how it works. Now you got your space. Sit that in between those plows. Okay, here's what I did with this. Focus. Maybe. There. Kinda. Yeah, I just put 3 tack welds, little ones right on the inside there. I'll clean them up with my Dremel. Make them where it'll fit in there just right, even. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to try to clamp it back down and see how it works. Alright, just want to show you guys. No slop. Done. And it's sealed up good too. I was shocked. Right now, that's fixed. Now I can paint this plow and put it back on. Put the wheel back on, paint it, stick it on there. Also wanted to show y'all these 5 brand new spring guide tensioners. Brand new. Stick them on. And I also finished these earlier today, which is my depth set. Got 5 new of those. I gotta grind these a little bit on the ends to smooth them up, and then they gotta be put on. But that's those, and I've got all the pieces now I need to finish the other 5 planters that I like on that side, and then be on to the next phase. Thanks for watching.